motherfucking sprinkles, because that's what we do here. Good. This thing is a raspberry chocolate something or other. Valentine theme, obviously, as you can tell, because it's pink, it has a little heart thing. Yes. It's not bad. It has chocolate, as you can clearly tell. 4.1 out of 5, I guess, sure. We're here again, trying another motherfucking sprinkles. Still in line with their Valentine stuff. This is Heartthrob, which is basically just a red velvet, but no, thematically redesigned to fit Valentine's Day. You can see it has little chocolate sprinkles, little hearts. As with most red velvet, the frosting is cream cheese, and the chocolate part is Black Forest technically, I think. It's something. Basically, it's chocolate. 4.2 out of 5. We're here again, downtown Disney. Chocolate Love from Wetzel pretzel. It's a regular pretzel apparently. It has the sugar cinnamon thing from their cinnamon flavor, and it's drizzled with chocolate, some fudge thingy, and dulce de leche, which is more or less caramel. So yeah, it's probably gonna be incredibly sweet and sticky. It's fine, we're good. Yeah, that's what they're for. Look this box. It has a fair amount of cinnamon. Tastes like cinnamon, tastes like a pretzel. I didn't get a lot of chocolate dulce de leche, but you can taste it. It's fine. I like the cinnamon, so I'll give it a 4.5.